Hi guys, it's day 21 and we are still working on our Money Savvy challenge. What is the challenge for today? Keep watching so you can find out. Hey there, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks to help you know your money. And today is day 21 of our Money Savvy challenge. We've been doing this all month. We only have a couple of more days. So go ahead and download your free calendar. The link is in the description box so that you can stay up to date with this challenge and also have these tools to use every single day of the year. So let's get started. Today is a day that you need to take out any medical bills that you might have and make sure that everything is either paid, or if they are not paid, you need to find out if there's a way that you need to make a plan with the medical provider to make a payment on those medical bills, or if to make sure that what they're trying to bill you for is correct. Now, you might be wondering, what does that have to do with me becoming money savvy? Well, some medical providers or medical insurance companies start to put things on your credit report. Now, there is a way for you to get that off of your credit report. There's a lot of things that you have to go through to do so. However, you don't even want it on there, right? So what you need to do is make sure that you have everything paid and up to date. And if it's not paid, make any type of arrangements with that medical provider, especially now. There's a lot of companies out there that are willing to work with you because of the financial times that we're in right now. So contact them and see if you can communicate with them and say, hey, I need to lower this bill, or I only have this amount to pay. Can you let me pay it, or let me pay this amount and then forgive the entire bill? So some people are willing to do that for you. So I hope this information has helped you. As I said before, please join the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you here at the channel, and all you have to do is subscribe. It's free. Make sure that you like this video and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to get that free money calendar for the challenge. The link is in the description box below. And thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.